Hey everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. Today we are going to be unboxing our brand new Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. So we're going to take a look at the Ledger website. We're going to do a kind of a side-by-side comparison between the Nano X and the Nano S. I'll talk a little bit about why I chose the X over the S. We'll look at some of the features and functions of the hardware wallet and some of the resources available on the website. And we're going to actually go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Okay, here we are on the Ledger website, ledger.com. When I was looking for a hardware wallet, I spent a lot of time doing my research and ultimately decided to go with a Ledger product because I felt that as a cryptocurrency miner and as a cryptocurrency investor, the Ledger product and the services offered me everything I was looking for to manage my cryptocurrency portfolio. Really encourage everyone to go out and do their own research, not only on Ledger, but on other hardware wallets that are available before making a decision on which one to purchase. Okay, so we're going to go ahead underneath the products tab here on the website. There's something called compare our devices. Let's go ahead and just take a quick peek at the two wallet options offered by Ledger. So there is a Nano S and a Nano X. And the first thing you see is the price difference. The S is 59 US dollars, the X is 119 US dollars. And if we scroll down, really the big things that you'll find here, the first thing is the number of apps that can be installed on the wallet. So the S allows you to install up to 3 apps at the same time. The X allows you to install up to 100 apps at the same time. So an app is an application that allows you to manage a cryptocurrency or a token. And so if you think about it, like you want to manage Bitcoin, that's one app. If you want to manage Ethereum, that's another app. So for the Nano S, if you're managing those two cryptocurrencies and you want to add a third cryptocurrency or token, that will consume your third app. So if you're looking to manage a larger cryptocurrency portfolio, then you may need to look into the Nano X. The other important difference between these two is the support. So for the mobile app, the Nano S only supports the Android smartphone, whereas the X supports both the iOS and Android smartphones. So something to keep in mind if you're expecting to buy a Nano S and use it with your iPhone, that will not work. So if you need to have it compatible with your iPhone, you're going to look at the Nano X. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit more. Why do you need a hardware wallet? To me, this is rather straightforward. Really, it's about security. If you are managing a cryptocurrency portfolio online, there are risks associated with that. There is the possibility that your keys could potentially be hacked or stolen and your wallet accessed. Using a hardware wallet, you keep all of your cryptocurrency offline, inaccessible to anyone. So I made the decision to move all of my crypto into a hardware wallet because to me that was the most secure option. So we look at some of the technical specifications. Again, we talked about the difference in the number of apps supported. Both of them will support and allow you to manage over 5,500 coins and tokens with the Ledger Live app from your computer or smartphone. Again, here's what I'd mentioned, Android only for the S, and for the X, there is support both for the Android and iOS. They're both compatible with over 50 wallets. The security elements are the same between the two. I am not a security expert, so I'm not going to try and talk in any educated way about the security elements, but they both share the same security. And the backup for each is a 24-word recovery phrase. The Nano S is not Bluetooth compatible. The Nano X is Bluetooth compatible with the Ledger Live mobile app. The screen on the Nano X is a bit larger. The connector type for the S is the micro USB, and the Nano X is the USB-C. The Nano X does have a battery, whereas the S does not. And this battery allows the X to operate in 8 hours, up to 8 hours in standby mode. Again, the X is slightly larger. It does have the slightly larger screen, and also with the battery makes the size a bit larger, and of course the weight a bit more, and then again the price we'd already discussed. All right, one of the great things about the Ledger website that I really liked when I was doing some research is this Ledger Academy. So Ledger Academy is really nothing more than a place to go and get education about cryptocurrency, about blockchain, about Ledger's role in all of these things, and how you can use Ledger to try and help grow your crypto portfolio. So again, a great resource for education, something that I really liked to see on the Ledger website. All right, the next thing we wanted to talk about is the different cryptocurrency assets that are supported. So if we go over to the, if we scroll down here a bit, we can see all of the different cryptocurrencies or tokens that are supported, and then whether or not you can buy that currency or token, whether you can swap it, whether you can send and receive it, and whether or not you can stake it, and then what wallets are supported. So, you know, again, just a great resource. You can type in the name. So if we just want to look, for example, Ergo, that's a bad choice. Let's just look at Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is supported. You can buy, swap, send, and receive. And the supported wallets are Ledger Live, My Crypto, and My Ether wallet. If we look at Ethereum, you can buy, swap, send, receive, and stake. And the supported wallets, Ledger Live, My Crypto, My Ether wallet. So again, on this website, you can just type in the name of the cryptocurrency or the token you are interested in and see what the support is through Ledger Live for that asset. Okay, the last thing, Ledger Live. So here is on the Ledger website, you can download the Ledger Live app. I would really encourage you, if you are going to be using a Ledger product, to download all of the apps and everything that you would need directly from the Ledger website. Again, even purchasing the hardware, I would encourage you to buy it directly from Ledger. Their Ledger does have a store on Amazon, so you can purchase these also through Amazon for the same price. When you do purchase a product, you will receive an email from Ledger giving you some specific information about things you should be looking at when you unbox the device. So we're going to go ahead and actually unbox this thing right now, and we'll reference the email we received from Ledger while we're unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. And a couple of things while we're doing this, I wanted to also mention two important things. The Ledger Live site does update. So as new cryptocurrencies are available or made available, the Ledger Live site will update to include those new cryptocurrencies. So again, this is not something that is static. It will grow with you as new cryptocurrencies become available. The other thing about this is you can mine, if you're mining on a pool, you can put in your address for your Ledger Nano wallet and mine directly to the wallet. When I say mine directly, I mean your payouts from your pool can go to your hardware wallet. So a couple of quick things I wanted to mention there as well. So the email I received, so the first thing they tell you is obviously make sure that the package is still sealed, and when you do open it, they encourage you to look at the box and make sure there are no fingerprints on the box. So again, making sure that this wasn't tampered with and then resealed. So let's go ahead and cut the plastic off, and we will be mindful. So this was absolutely definitely secure and sealed. So when we open this up, we're going to make sure to be very careful and check on all sides to make sure that it hasn't been tampered with or that there are no fingerprints. So I don't see anything that's obvious. So again, I think we're okay to go ahead and open the box up. All right. So it's just a little sleeve here. So we'll slide off the sleeve and we'll go ahead and open the box. The next thing they tell you to do is to make sure there are no fingerprints on the hardware wallet itself. So again, I don't see anything on the top side of the wallet. So we'll go ahead and very gently pull this out of the packaging and check the back side. There is some slight discoloration on it, but it looks like maybe that was from the box itself. So again, no other indications or no appearances of anything having been tampered with. Okay, so let's just set the actual hardware wallet itself down inside the box top, and let's see what else we've got in the packaging. Alright, so we get a getting started package, and inside the getting started package is some stickers. Very cool. We have use, care, and regulatory statement, and then a getting started booklet. So we'll be using these when we go ahead and actually set up the wallet. And it comes with three 24-word recovery phrase sheets. So you can use these to record your recovery phrases. So we'll use one of these when we set up the wallet to record our recovery phrase. The other thing that they tell you in the email is to make sure that you didn't get a hardware wallet that already has one of these filled out. That would be a clear indication that this was has already been used by someone. So again, I would be a little surprised if you received one with information in it if you were buying it directly from Ledger or even from Amazon. All right, and the last thing that I see here in the package is our connector cable. So this will allow us to connect the Ledger device via USB to our computer. So you can see there, the light's not great. So again, and then USB on this side. Okay, so what else do we have? So let's open this up. And the last thing we have is a little keychain. So if we want to hang this somewhere in a secure location when it's not being used, for me, I will find a secure location somewhere in my home where I will hang this so it is away from my my little 4-year-old and also my animals, because I don't want anyone getting a hold of this. Okay, so that is all the contents of the box. So again, just a really small, simple device. So the last thing in the email, it states that when you do actually go ahead and activate the wallet, to make sure that that when you do activate it, it brings you to the original welcome screen when you start to activate. Again, if you don't go directly to the welcome screen, it would be an indication that someone else has already used this wallet. If that were to be the case and you did buy it directly from Ledger, contact them directly. Also, if you bought it from the Ledger store on Amazon, if you see any indications of it being previously used, I would contact Ledger. Okay, and when we open this thing up, we do see, and I've already hit the power button here on it, so it's already turned on. So we do have our display here. So the first thing that we see on here is it is giving me, I won't focus on it, low battery warning. But you've got your two buttons on the side to navigate through the menus. So with the low battery warning, it's not letting me do anything, but that's okay. I don't want to actually set this up on camera. It gives you an idea of the size of the screen and the user interface. So there's some plastic on this, and we'll peel that off. Not the same as peeling on a GPU. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider hitting that like button. Give us that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel for additional content. I would like to make some additional videos on the Ledger Nano product line. as we learn more about it and start putting it to use. So again, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon.